Hi, everyone. Here I am again. I'm with Scott DeSalvo today from the DeSalvo Law Firm. And I'd like to talk today, hopefully about something I think a lot of people are concerned about. And that's if you're in an injury and you have some minor injuries, maybe injuries that don't require your surgery or anything like that, but the insurance companies need to pay for your legal fees. How do you present that to them, and what can you do? Do you need an attorney? All this good stuff. So Scott, I'm going to bring you in and let you discuss that a little bit. Here's the injury attorney, Chicago, Illinois. Thanks, Scott. I appreciate your time.
Hey, well, thanks for calling, Kent. Yeah, I mean, I think it's something you and I have been talking about a little bit more and more, and it's basically what's happening is insurance companies understand that the more people who think that soft tissue injuries or non-surgical cases aren't big cases, and really what motivates insurance companies to settle a case is fear. So if you can't put a case together that scares the insurance company as to what a jury will do with it, then you're in a situation where they'd rather spend the money and have a trial. You'll never get a settlement on a case like that. The problem, though, is you're fighting against a company that has unlimited resources. So what we're coming up against these days a lot is people don't hire an attorney, and the insurance company strings them along until they hit their deadline. And then right before the deadline, they'll call a fellow like me, and we'll explain to them that, it takes a little time to put these cases together. And, we take the cases, but these insurance companies have so many resources that they think nothing about going out and hiring a doctor of their own to say that there's nothing wrong with the injured guy. And they'll take them to trial rather than offer a free settlement. What that means for the little guy, though, is that it's a challenge to find an attorney who's willing to go all the way for you on the case. Lawyers like me work on what's called a contingency basis, and that means we only get paid if we win, and we don't charge the injured person an hourly rate. So it could be, look, I don't begrudge people for the way they choose to run their business, and there are a lot of lawyers out there who want the slow pitch. I mean, I'll be honest, if you told me I could have a choice to just have, maybe a dozen or 24 cases in my office and they're all multi-million-dollar cases, my life would be pretty easy. But I'm not in it for easy. I'm in it to help people. And so when somebody comes to my office and says, look, I've got real pain, I've got real treatment, I'm living with it, I don't need surgery, and the insurance company is stonewalling me, I take it seriously. And so I feel like I'm one of a very small who's willing to take a case like this all the way. And I can understand the attorneys who don't want to do it, but I take the service part of being an attorney pretty seriously. We're not here just to cash the big check. We're here to help people who need us. And that's, I'm one of the guys who stayed awake during the ethics class in law school where they told you it's a privilege to practice law. And part of your job is to help people that nobody else are helping. So that's, have I talked enough for you? Are your ears bleeding yet?
No, absolutely. That's great information.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. Or if you'd like to see more of my videos, click subscribe. Thanks again.
If you've been hurt, insurance treating you mean, call 888-HURT-318.